You might have heard about a very common myth about iPhones that iPhone never hangs or becomes slow with time. But if you're an iPhone user, you know the real truth. So if you are too experiencing this issue that your iPhone has become too slow and you are unable to enjoy the real iOS experience, then you are at a perfect place. Because in today's video, we will find out the solution that how you can fix your iPhone speed. So with that being said, I'm Divyansh Sharan and now let's get started. So the very first thing is to check for your iPhone's gallery. Like the thing is that even if your iPhone storage is not fully loaded, but if you're having too much images into your iPhone's Photos app, it will slow down your phone to next level as thumbnails of those 1000 images consumes your RAM continuously. Even syncing images with iCloud won't work. So just reduce the total number of photos saved onto your iPhone, and trust me, this will really increase the speed of your iPhone. Into the iPhone storage settings, you will find an option named Offload Unused Apps. Just turn it on, so it will automatically offload applications which you don't use for a long time. Also, apart from it, keep as least applications possible on your iPhone. The least the application, the least the background usage. Applications which you use once in a while or something, you can just download them whenever you have to use it, and after that you can uninstall it. Coming to the third reason is overloading your iPhone storage. The key is to keep at least 30% storage always free and available. If your iPhone storage is consumed more than 95%, your iPhone will become too much slow and even applications will start crashing automatically. If your iPhone storage gets completely full by any means, you can face an issue named loop boot screen where the iPhone gets stuck at the Apple logo, and fixing it can lead to severe data loss. Taking an entry-level iCloud membership can help you with it. You can keep your iPhone's gallery well organized by turning off WhatsApp media which are saved on your iPhone's camera roll. Also, a great amount of storage can be cleared by going into your WhatsApp storage section. Apart from it, go to settings, then camera, then choose format option and then enable high efficiency. Once you will enable this, pictures will be saved in HEIF or HEVC format, which are pretty efficient in terms of size. If you want to make your iPhone more smooth, you can turn off automatic updates of application as well as iOS, so the process won't run in background while you use your iPhone, resulting in a smoother experience. But for this, you will have to manually update your application at the time you go to the bed, and it will update all the applications overnight. Into the general settings, you will find an option named Background Application Refresh. Into this section, you can eliminate background usage of some non-important applications. Last and the ultimate trick for boosting the speed of your iPhone is to reboot your iPhone once every day. When everything fails, you can always try restarting your device. So that's all for now, and some more iPhone tricks related article is given below in the video's description, which you should really try. So if you guys liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyansh Sharan and I will catch you in the next one.